The imagination is a really important part of the way our mind works. And sometimes we can confuse it by giving our mind things that are difficult to imagine. I'll show you what I mean. This gentleman here, would you mind joining me, please? Step right on up here. Tell us your name.
Wayne.
Hi, Wayne. How are you?
Just fine. How are you?
All right. Well, not too bad, actually, Wayne. Tonight, Wayne, I have a very interesting task for you. I have a number of words. These words were selected, by the way, because they're all the same length, no differentiation from one to the other. But notice that they're all, some of them are easily pictured, such as peach, or radio, or knock. There are other words which are very difficult to visualize, such as hours, or thump, or hurry. As a matter of fact, I have another set of words over here. In fact, would you look that list over, please, and then mentally choose one of those words upon which you'll concentrate. All right? Do you have it?
Yes.
It can be an easy word to picture or a difficult word to picture. Doesn't matter to me. Just get it in your mind. You have it?
Got it.
All right. We'll show the audience that it's a bunch of words, okay? Now here's the other deal. We're going to test your IQ.
Okay.
That is, we're going to test your I and your Q. All right? Works for me. Take that, please. And if you would, concentrate on the very first letter in that word that you have in your mind. And as you're doing that, look at it on the IQ chart, concentrate on it, and see every detail in that letter. Do you have it? Mm-hmm. Okay. Now concentrate on the second letter, please. Do you have that?
Concentrating on it in my mind. Yeah.
Well, you have to look at it on the chart, otherwise it's no fun.
I don't see it.
Turn the chart over.
Okay.
Got it. Okay. That's the second letter. You're looking right at it. Yes?
Yes.
Good. Now, the third letter. Concentrate on the third letter. Find it on the chart. Look at it.
Got it.
You have that one, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's cool. Now, if you will, concentrate on the fourth letter.
Okay. Got it.
You got that. All right. And now concentrate on the fifth letter, please.
Okay. Got it.
You got that one too. All right. One more time. Concentrate on the first letter. Look at it. Look at the letter. Concentrate on it.
Got it.
You got it. Okay. Now the second letter.
Got it.
Okay. Now the third letter.
Got it.
Now the fourth letter.
Got it.
And now the fifth letter.
Got it.
That was quick. I'm not picking up anything from you. So now I need to resort to following your eye pattern. You ready for this?
Ready.
Okay. Look at the first letter. Wait a minute.
Got it.
I need a little something to help me out here. I need to follow your eye pattern, but just your eyes. I'll make a little hole in this. Wait a minute. Right there. I can see only your eyes now. Okay. I'm not looking at anything, just your eyes. All right, now, if you will, maybe if I'll hold it out here and look. Okay, good. Now, look at the first letter.
Got it.
Good. Now look at the second letter.
Got it.
Okay, now the third letter.
Got it.
Okay, now the fourth letter.
Got it.
And now the fifth letter.
Got it.
Okay, your eyes give you away every time. I sense that you're a rather old-fashioned person. You're focusing on an object that's easily pictured as opposed to one which is ephemeral. Is that correct? As a matter of fact, I see knobs, I see buttons, I see lights, I hear sound. You're concentrating on the word radio.
You got it.
Give this man a hand. Thank you very much. Thank you. All right. This is so easy. You can drag it out as long. Actually, if you do it too quickly, it just doesn't look like anything's happening. So you really have to take a little bit of time on something like this. These words are all specially chosen. They are all 5 letters long. All right, and they are rather varied, and some are easy to visualize and some are not. But the key to the whole thing is this IQ chart. You see, half of the letters are on one side, half the letters of the alphabet, and half of the letters of the alphabet are on the other side. So every time the chart turns one way or the other, you're cutting the number of choices by half. All right? But you don't have to know that. All you have to do is have a crib sheet. I got crib sheets. I got a crib sheet right here. It's on the back of my business card. How else? All right. Actually, I have 2 crib sheets because I have one here for all of those. Oh, I didn't tell you. All you need to do is see how many, not what he's looking at, but the opposite side of the way this card is designed. You simply look at how many I's or Q's you see and in what order. For example, radio, you're seeing a Q, because he's looking at the R here. So you're seeing a Q, an I, an I, an I, and an O. So it's Q, I, Q. Okay? Did you follow that? Because you saw a Q, an I, an I, an I, and a Q. Well, it just so happens, when you look over here, QQ is radio, okay? Because it's right there listed on the card. So your crib actually tells you everything you need to know. The neat thing about this is, if you're working in someone's home, there are a zillion different opportunities to be able to see which side this is turned without actually having to look at it. For example, if you take a standard television set, turn it off, it becomes a convex mirror. And you can see that great big old Q or that great big old I all the way across the room. Likewise, in a picture frame, and if you feel very, very comfortable, you can simply stand to one side and watch the shadow on the ground as he turns it to one side or the other. All you need to know is which side you started on, and then simply count Q, I, Q, I, Q. Look at your crib sheets, and you're done. Now, this little piece of work was contributed to SYZYGY by a fellow, one of the few performers I know in this world, who does that, what's called the knight's tour in chess. That's where the knight moves 2 down and 1 over. And in the knight's tour, you move the knight to every single space on the board without repeating. And grandmasters have trouble doing it. Well, this fellow doesn't. He's one of the few people I know who do this. And his name is Earl Kaiser. And naturally, he called the presentation the IQ chart. Hope you like it.